Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and today I'm reviewing a mortar and pestle set from Chef Sophie. It's made of rock granite. Chef Sophie has created the perfect curvature of the base of your mortar to go with the pestle. It's a match set. I love this so much. The granite on this is unpolished granite, and that's the best natural friction for crushing and grinding and powdering. One of my videographers wanted to have a go at this mortar and pestle. It's got a great grip. It's easy to get a firm grasp on it. It's perfect for crushing and grinding. Anyone can do it. So it can be used by people that are strong and cooks like me that may not have all the oomph that strong arms and hands could give it. It's very stable. The pestle fits really great in my hand, and it's easy to grind it against the interior of that mortar. It's really a fun thing to do. I love grinding my own spices. And this is a great gift for men as well as women. I love the use of a mortar and pestle because it makes great natural ingredients and spice rubs that are fresh. In my kitchen, I often want to make a fresh taco seasoning, so I'll put the chilies out and the bay leaves, the fresh coriander, the red chili flakes, all the ingredients for a fabulous taco seasoning that I have on my channel. It's much better to use fresh ingredients. The flavor pops like that. After I make a taco seasoning, I'll often jar it up because I can use it later. This 2-cup capacity is great for making my spice rubs, beef rubs, all the things I use from my recipes. It's a beautiful mortar and pestle to have anywhere in your kitchen, whether you want it by your stove, on your kitchen counter, or at a dinner party where you showed it off with all the spices you use for that night's recipes. I love the Mexican theme, so I do a lot, including these little crickets. It's a lot of fun. It's really fun to impress your family or your guests with a piece of nature, your granite mortar and pestle. It's a super great present as well for cooks you might know. Mortar and pestles have been used for ancient times in order to flavor foods. They can also be used to grind up your vitamins. I like to grind up vitamin C tablets and then put them in my moisturizer for overnight wear, so the moisturizer will get absorbed overnight with that vitamin C. A lot of people use these in the beauty industry too. It grinds seeds, nuts, plant roots into small digestible pieces, and it's wonderful for grinding up your spices and herbs. It's the perfect thing to make a nice tomato jam or ketchup or a sauce for your fish or your pasta. By using a mortar and pestle to make your own spices and your own recipes and grinding them yourselves, you're getting away from packaged foods with all its preservatives and chemicals. Click the link to get your Chef Sophie mortar and pestle. It's the #1 seller on Amazon. They make a fantastic product at a really great price that's quality to last your whole life. Comment and tell me what your favorite spice recipe is. I'm always looking for another good one. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get my next video notification. Bye-bye. See you next time. And check out these other recipes because they kind of go with this one, and I think you'll like them too.